Drink these 4 night juices while you sleep if you're over 60 to improve your memory and vision. It may explain a lot if you're over 60. No one discusses the actual effects of aging on the brain and eyes. The ordinary things, not the scary ones. The blurry vision in the morning, the moments when I wonder why I come in here, and the burning eyes after using your phone for a short while. The unexpected part comes next. It's true, it goes beyond aging. Additionally, you're not supposed to accept it. Recently, researchers discovered that a large number of adults over 65 are deficient in at least one essential nutrient that the body needs to repair the brain and eyes while they sleep. Every night, your body attempts to correct minor memory lapses, fatigued eyes, and blurred vision, but it is unsuccessful. It makes sense why a lot of people wake up feeling as though their eyes and brains aren't keeping up anymore. Here's what nobody anticipates, though. There are no complicated supplements or pills needed to fix this. We're discussing juice tonight. Easy natural juices that you can prepare in a matter of minutes. However, there's a potent effect when you drink them at night. It has been demonstrated that these 4-night juices promote deeper sleep, improve memory, sharper vision, and a more relaxed brain in the morning. I've witnessed a lot of people notice the difference. The addition to proper nighttime juice can result in fewer hazy mornings, less eye strain, and improved memory. Let's examine what transpires in your body after dark and the 4-night juices that give your eyes and brain the nourishment they need. First, carrot juice. First, let's talk about the first juice. And to be honest, despite the fact that it is in front of them every day, most people overlook it. Carrot juice. Without even thinking, I would say this is a drink that seniors most often overlook. But it's important to pay attention to it. One of the few natural juices that simultaneously feeds your brain and eyes is carrot juice. Drinking it provides the precise nutrients your retina and prefrontal cortex. Your brain's core for memory, focus, and decision-making need to remain sharp. Beta-carotene, which is abundant in carrots, is converted by your body into vitamin A, which serves as fuel for your photoreceptor cells. These tiny cells in your retina are responsible for your ability to see clearly, particularly in low light. Night vision deteriorates as a result of these cells gradually breaking down due to insufficient vitamin A in the body. Your eyes feel dry as soon as you wake up, and everything appears blurrier than it used to. And as common as these problems are after 60, they don't have to be brushed off as just age. Carrot juice also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that have been shown to protect the macula, the area of the eye that allows you to read, recognize faces, and pay attention to details. The story doesn't end there, though. In addition to preventing further harm, these nutrients aid in the recovery of your eyes from oxidative stress, which accumulates from years of screen time, intense sunlight, and daily strain. Now, here's the part most people don't expect. The brain is also supported by carrot juice. Falcarinol, a naturally occurring substance found in it, helps reduce inflammation in the brain and shield the outer layer of your nerve cells. According to a 2021 study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience, seniors who regularly drank juice high in beta-carotene had improved working memory and recall. Additionally, in one instance from that study, older adults who drank a simple 250 milliliters glass of carrot juice every morning for 8 weeks saw an approximate 13% improvement in their visual recall scores when compared to the non-drinking group. That is a significant difference. You genuinely notice that kind of change in day-to-day living, and a lot of people are unaware of this tip. Because carrot juice is fat-soluble, adding a small amount of healthy fat improves how well your body absorbs the nutrients. It can be as easy as adding a teaspoon of olive oil, serving it with avocado or eggs for breakfast, or even eating a few walnuts alongside. Keep it easy if you want to incorporate carrot juice into your daily routine. Juice a couple of medium carrots. Drink it with breakfast in the morning, and add a little lemon or ginger if you like a little freshness. You're not just sipping on something delicious when you do that. Your eyes are receiving the much-needed support from you. You're assisting your brain in maintaining stability and concentration. Additionally, you're beginning your day with something that will eventually have a real impact. Better yet, if you make this a daily routine, you're not only benefiting your eyes and brain, but also your entire body, supporting your energy, mood, and general well-being. Over time, little adjustments made each morning can add up to a noticeable difference in how alert, focused, and lively you feel all day long. Beet juice is number 2. Next is a rich, vivid red juice that is surprisingly good for your brain and eyes. Beet juice. When most people over 60 worry about memory loss, blurred vision, or that morning fog, they rarely consider blood flow. In actuality, however, circulation is crucial. Your brain and eyes are literally starved of oxygen if there is poor blood flow, and that can eventually weaken your memory, dull your focus, and blur your vision. Your body converts the dietary nitrates found in beets into nitric oxide. Vasodilation, the process by which nitric oxide relaxes and widens your blood vessels, is an incredible effect. This implies that blood that is rich in oxygen can travel to your brain and retina more quickly, providing them with the oxygen and nutrients they require to perform at their peak. This is supported by studies. According to a 2020 study in the journal Nitric Oxide, people over 60 who regularly drank beet juice had significantly improved blood flow in their brains, particularly in the frontal lobe, which is in charge of short-term memory, attention, and decision-making. This is significant because even minor increases in blood flow can have a discernible impact on mental clarity and focus. However, nitric oxide also protects your eyes in addition to helping your brain. Research in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics in 2019 showed that the nitric oxide produced from beet juice helps maintain retinal thickness and reduces oxidative stress, which is one of the main reasons vision deteriorates as we age. Nitric oxide acts rapidly, in contrast to fat-soluble nutrients that take time to absorb. After consuming beet juice, your blood vessels begin to relax within 30 minutes. Your brain and eyes start to receive a little boost as circulation improves. Here's how to make it work for you. Peel 1 medium beet and add a little orange or apple juice to make it more palatable. It is best consumed between 2 and 4 p.m., correct? Doing this every day gives you more than just a boost of energy when you're feeling low and your concentration begins to wane. It provides your brain and eyes with nourishment that promotes long-term health, maintaining your memory, clarity, and vibrancy. Over time, this easy habit can transform your day, allow you to read without strain, stay alert, remember names, and enjoy life without the persistent visual and mental fog that creeps up on you after the age of 60. It's amazing how much of a difference even something as basic as drinking 1 juice daily can make. Additionally, your energy lasts longer once you begin to notice the little changes. Your vision seems more stable. Your thoughts don't stray as much. This is more than just a drink. You'll see. It serves as a tool to safeguard the body parts that are most important for your independence and general well-being. The best part is that beets are inexpensive, easy to obtain, and natural. No complicated routines, no supplements, no pills. Simply juice, sip, and gradually notice the difference. Rich beet juice's nitric oxide and healthy fats help your circulation and nervous system even more. If you like, pair with a handful of walnuts or some almonds. If you maintain this practice, you'll be astonished at how soon you begin to feel more alert, lighter in thought, and more assured of your memory and vision than you have in years. Every afternoon, all from a simple glass of bright red juice. Blueberry juice comes in third. Let's now discuss a deep, rich purple juice that most people don't even consider. Juice from blueberries. In addition to being delicious, it contains potent compounds that can significantly improve your eyes and brain, particularly after the age of 60. Anthocyanins, a class of antioxidants found in abundance in blueberries, are capable of more than just scavenging free radicals. In fact, it lessens inflammation and promotes neurogenesis, or the development of new brain cells. Although the research is clear, most people don't associate that with fruit. Seniors who drank wild blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks showed quantifiable improvements in memory, processing speed, and even neural activation on MRI scans, according to a groundbreaking 2020 study published in the Journals of Gerontology Series A. Because blueberries' anthocyanins can pass through the blood-brain barrier, they can directly reach the hippocampus, the part of the brain involved in memory and learning. There, they lower oxidative stress and increase levels of BDNF, a protein necessary for brain cell growth and repair. Put another way, blueberry juice is essentially giving your brain the resources it needs to create new cells, heal damage, and maintain mental clarity. And the benefits extend beyond your brain. You also get support for your eyes. Blueberries help shield the retinal ganglion cells, which transmit visual information from the eye to the brain, from oxidative damage as we age. According to a 2019 molecular vision study, blueberry extract protected retinal structure from oxidative stress. Exactly what your eyes experience from regular screen time, sunlight, and aging. This implies that by consistently consuming blueberry juice, you're assisting your eyes in continuing to communicate with your brain in a clear and powerful manner, thereby maintaining your vision for a longer period of time. Simple is the best way to enjoy it. Add half of a banana for a little extra sweetness and creaminess, or blend 1 cup of frozen or fresh blueberries with water. In order for the antioxidants and nutrients to start working while you sleep, drink it about 90 minutes before bed, just as your brain begins its nightly repair cycle. This small habit can make a big difference over time. You may experience an improvement in the clarity of your memory. Information is processed more quickly in your mind. Furthermore, it becomes easier to remember even minor details, such as names or where you put your glasses. You might experience less eye strain. The morning fog you once experienced begins to dissipate, and colors become more vibrant. It's amazing how a single small glass of juice every night can improve your cognitive and visual health, making you feel more aware of your surroundings, more self-assured, and more alert. The best part is that blueberries are entirely natural, simple to locate, and easy to prepare. Just a delicious, colorful drink that supports your eyes and brain while you sleep. No complicated routines, no supplements. Include this in your evening routine. You're not just sipping juice, either. Night after night for years to come, you're actively supporting your body's growth, repair, and sharpness. Fourth, spinach juice. Let's finally discuss spinach juice, a modest green elixir with tremendous power. When it comes to eye and brain health, many people ignore leafy greens, but spinach is a great source of nutrients that can have a significant impact, particularly after the age of 60. The pigments lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in the macula, the area of the eye that gives you sharp central vision, are abundant in spinach. These naturally deteriorate with age, making the eyes more susceptible to macular degeneration, oxidative stress, and blurred vision. Seniors with higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin had better contrast sensitivity and faster visual processing, which allowed them to notice details and react more quickly than those with lower levels, according to a 2020 study in Nutrients. However, the advantages extend beyond your eyes. Folate, which is also abundant in spinach, is necessary for the synthesis of neurotransmitters and for controlling homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, speeds up cognitive deterioration. Restoring folate in older adults has been shown to enhance memory, attention, and brain function in general, keeping you alert and focused all day long. Additionally, spinach contains vitamin K, which promotes the integrity of cell membranes and the development of myelin, the protective covering that surrounds nerve fibers and guarantees effective brain communication. Simply blend a large handful of fresh spinach with a green apple or cucumber to make spinach juice. This refreshing, slightly sweet beverage can be consumed mid-morning or before lunch to provide your eyes and brain with steady nutrients. Because spinach contains oxalates, which can harm kidney health in extremely high doses, moderation is key. Thus, limit yourself to 1 serving at a time. It's easy to support the health of your brain and eyes when you incorporate all 4 juices into your daily routine. In the morning, start with carrot juice to stimulate your memory and eyes. Drink spinach juice in the middle of the morning to keep your eyesight clear and your brain healthy. Drink beet juice from 2 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon to increase mental clarity and circulation, and to help your brain repair and create new cells while you sleep. Finish with blueberry juice about 90 minutes before bed. You are not required to adhere to the schedule exactly each day. On certain days, you can switch up your juices or consume 2 at once. However, consistency is far more important than perfection. You can give your body the precise nutrients it needs to protect your eyes, improve energy and focus, sharpen your memory, and lessen mental fog by making these juices a regular habit. The best part is that all of these juices are natural, simple to prepare, and only contain real foods that interact with your body as you eat, sleep, and go about your day. No complicated ingredients or supplements. You'll see small but significant changes over the course of weeks and months. Your eyesight is sharper, your memory is more stable, and your mind is more alert in the mornings. It's incredible how tiny, straightforward routines like taking these 4 juices at the appropriate times can improve your health and give you clarity, self-assurance, and a sense of control over how your brain and eyes age. A glass a day, some consistency, and a readiness to provide your body with the nutrients it has been hankering after are all that are required. Additionally, the results speak for themselves over time, allowing you to enjoy life after 60 with more energy, improved memory, and sharper vision than you ever imagined. Thank you if you've read this far. It demonstrates that you're searching for more than just health advice. You think that healing is possible, that your memory can get better, and that it's not too late. I've witnessed seniors regain energy, clarity, and confidence through basic, everyday decisions over the course of decades. Spinach juice to help you stay focused, blueberry juice before bed, beet juice in the afternoon, and carrot juice in the morning. It's momentum, not a miracle. And your body often only needs momentum. Juice is powerful even if you only try one today. Your eyes and brain are still working. They are awaiting the necessary nutrients. For more research-backed strategies to maintain your wits after 60, like, share, and subscribe if this video gave you hope or knowledge. Which juice most excites you? Let me know in the comments. Let's continue to grow, heal, and have faith that the best years are yet to come. Please click the like button if you thought this video was useful. The channel benefits greatly from it. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you in the next.